My pronouns are they, them. I'm a senior associate at Benach Colopy in Washington, D.C. We're an immigration firm. We do 100% immigration law, nothing else. My practice is focused largely on asylum, family reunification cases, deportation defense, naturalization and waiver practice. In particular, I specialize in LGBT cases. As a member of the queer community myself, it's really important to work with queer immigrants and ensuring that they can find as much safety as possible here. I tend to tailor my practice largely to queer families. I just hit 5 years as an attorney. I've been with the firm for about 3.5. It was a little bit firsthand, a little bit secondhand experience. The first time that I really started thinking about it, I was volunteering with the Central American Resource Center here in DC, over in Columbia Heights. And I was volunteering by teaching English and civics classes for older Hispanic Latina people who wanted to naturalize. And I ended up accompanying a woman to her naturalization interview. And because she had been here as long as she had, she was able to get a language exemption and take the exam in Spanish. But she wasn't able to get an exemption on the civics test. I went with her as her interpreter, interpreting from English to Spanish. But she didn't pass the civics test. And it was her third or her fourth try. And she still didn't pass. And it was just infuriating to me how unjust that was. Here's a woman who had been here for 40 years and, that she would still have to go through this was kind of demoralizing and ridiculous. And they have low economic resources or other barriers to accessing justice. So that was what first sort of inspired me. And then I was previously married to an immigrant. I helped bring my spouse here from Nicaragua in 2010. And having gone through that myself when I was super young and super broke and couldn't afford an attorney, I was sort of constantly thinking, oh my God, I'm going to mess this up. And thankfully I didn't.